absolute value of an integer. So class, the absolute value of a number is the distance between 0 and the number on the number line. The absolute value of a number is the distance between the 0 and the number on the number line. Let us draw a number line first. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 7. Now, class, if we need to find the absolute value of 5, so there is a way to write the absolute value of a number. So if we need to find the absolute value of 5, we will write it between two vertical lines. Between two vertical lines. Its general form will be mod of, this is called mod of A. Now, coming back to this here, 5 between two vertical lines. So what will the distance between 5 and the 0? How many units will we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will the absolute value of 5? 5. But now, if I ask you, what will be the absolute value of minus 5? So by definition, it means कि हम लोग को distance find करना है. The distance between the 0 and the given number. So how much distance we have? 1, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit and 5 unit. So what is the distance between 0 and minus 5? 5 units. So what will be the absolute value of minus 5? It will be 5. So absolute value of is independent of sign. If it is positive, it will be positive. If it is negative, then it will again become positive. If I ask you to find me the absolute value of minus 2, what will it be? If you count the distance 1 unit, 2 unit, it is 2 unit. What will the absolute value of 2? 1 unit, 2 units. And if you want to generalize this, that is absolute value of A will be A, absolute value of minus A will also be A. So children, the next topic that we have is adding and subtracting integers. So as you already know, what are integers? Integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the positive infinity, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 5, minus 6 to the negative infinity, and 0 is also an integer. Now, we will be discussing how to add an integer to an integer, how to subtract an integer from an integer. Yeah. So, let us move. Let us continue with the topic. Suppose we have 5 and we need to add 3. So what will be 5 plus 3? It will be 8. These are two positive integers. इन दोनों पे negative का sign नहीं है. But it would have been 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. And how are we going to decide the sign? So the integer which is greater than absolute value will have the sign. That sign will be taken as in the final answers, 5 and 3. So the absolute value of 5 will be 5. What will the absolute value of minus 3? 3. So but 5 minus 3 is 2. So the sign taken will be plus 2, or it can be written as 2. Suppose we have minus 3, minus 2. So what will be minus 3 and minus 2? As you already know, plus plus is plus, plus minus is minus, minus plus minus is minus, and minus minus is plus. So minus minus is minus 5. And if it would have been here minus 5 plus 3 plus 2. So minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2, it is minus. So minus 5 plus 2 will be minus 3. If it would have been, we can take a lot of examples here. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. The number with greater absolute value here is 7. So 7 minus 2. What will be the sign of 7? Positive. So plus minus is minus. But which sign will be taken? The sign of 7 will be taken, which is a positive. So 7 minus 2 is 5. That is plus 5, or it can be simply written as 5. Now, after this we have class properties of addition and subtraction of integers. The first property that we have is closure property. And what does closure property means is कि addition is closed for integers and subtraction is closed for integers. Simple terms में इसका मतलब ये होता है कि if we add two integers a plus b, suppose we add a plus b, if you take a as 5, b as 3, what is the result? 8. A, which is 5, is an integer, 3 is an integer, and 8 is also an integer. That means if we add two integers, the result will be also an integer. And integers is also closed for subtraction. That means if you have two integers a minus b, so if you do it just for 5 minus 3, the result will be 2. 5 minus 3 will be equal to 2, and 2 is also an integer. Suppose it would have been minus 5 minus 2, then the result would be minus 7. Minus 7 is an integer? Yes. If it would have been minus 5 minus 9, what would have been the result? Minus 14. Is minus 14 an integer? Yes. If it would have been 3 minus 1, the result would be 2. Is 2 an integer? Yes. So, in integers, so addition and subtraction is closed under integers. That means closure property means if we add two integers, the result will be also an integer, and if we subtract two integers, the result will still be an integer. So that is, integers are closed under addition and subtraction. Now, after this we have class commutative property. First of all, we need to understand that addition is commutative for integers, while subtraction is not commutative for integers. Here we have a plus b equals to b plus a. So if you have two integers, 2 plus 5 or 5 plus 2, the result will be 7 on both the sides. But if this would have been taken as a is 2, b is 5, and this would have been done a minus b equals to b minus a, would have been equal. Let us find out. 2 minus 5 is equals to 5 minus 2. Are LHS or LHS equal? No. So, addition is commutative for integers and subtraction is not commutative for integers. And after commutative property, we have class identity property. Identity property. Identity property. That means, अच्छा तो क्या हमें पता है एक ऐसा नंबर जिसे हम किसी भी इंटीजर में ऐड करें, so there will be no change in the value of the integer, और if we subtract it तब भी कोई change नहीं हो रहा in the value of an integer. Do we know an integer? Yes, we have 0. If we add 0 to 5, what will be the change in the value? There will be no change. It will still be, if we subtract 0 from 5, it will still be 5. So, identity property. So, 0 is the additive identity for integers. 0 is the additive identity for integers. That means if we add 0 to an integer, there will be no change in the value of the integer. So, if you need to write in the general form, that is a plus 0 equals to 0 plus a equals to a. Now, after this we have class associative property. Associative. So, how many properties have we discussed this far? First one was closure property, Integers are closed under addition and subtraction, as the sum and difference of an integer is an integer. And after that we studied commutative property. That means ki a plus b equals to b plus a. So addition is commutative for integers. And what about subtraction? A minus b is not equals to b minus a. After that we studied identity property, that if we add 0 to an integer, then there will be no change in the absolute value of an integer. And now we have class associative property, which holds good for addition, but it does not work for the subtraction for integers. Let us look into the associative property, that is a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. Suppose we have a equals to 1, b equals to 2, c equals to 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3. What will be the result? 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. This side will also be 6. So associative property holds good for addition for integers. But if we are going to talk about associative property for subtraction, and how will it work? Suppose we have the numbers a, b, c, and now we need to find if you are going to find the result for the subtraction for the associative property. Suppose we have a minus b minus c equals to a minus b minus c. Now let us put the values and let us check. 1 minus 2 minus 3 equals to 1 minus 2 minus 2. What will be the here? Result here. 1 minus 2 minus 3 will be minus 1, and minus 1 will be plus 1. Here will be 1 minus 2 will be minus 1, and minus 3. 2 is not equals to minus 4. So associative property for integers is hold good for addition, but it doesn't work for subtraction. That means कि इंटीजर्स जो हैं वो एसोसिएटिव है एडिशन के लिए, पर वो एसोसिएटिव सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए नहीं है. इंटीजर्स कॉम्पिटिटिव है एडिशन के लिए, पर इंटीजर्स कॉम्पिटिटिव सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए नहीं है. इंटीजर्स क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी को फॉलो करते हैं, चाहे सब्ट्रैक्शन हो चाहे एडिशन हो. एंड द लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी दैट वी हैव इज द एडिटिव इनवर्स. एडिटिव इनवर्स का सिंपल सा मतलब है कि अगर हमारे पास एक इंटीजर है, उसमें हम कोई एक ऐसा इंटीजर ऐड कर दें जिससे हमारा रिजल्ट 0 हो जाए, तो क्या नंबर होगा? इफ यू हैव 5, तो इसमें हम ऐसी कौन सी चीज ऐड कर सकते हैं जिससे इसका रिजल्ट 0 हो जाए? सिंपल, -5. इट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 0. सो व्हाट इज एडिटिव इनवर्स? Additive inverse of an integer a is the integer negative a. That is a plus minus a, or minus a plus a equals to 0. Suppose we need to find additive inverse of -3. So what can we add in -3 to get the result to 3? We just simply add 3 and the result will be equal to 0. तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि हमारे पास एक इंटीजर है, हम उसमें ऐसी कौन सी चीज ऐड कर सकते हैं या सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि यहाँ पे 5, हम इसमें क्या ऐड कर सकते हैं ऐसा जिससे हमें रिजल्ट 0 मिल जाए? -5. हमारे पास यहाँ पे -3, इसमें ऐसा क्या ऐड कर सकते हैं हमारा रिजल्ट 0 हो जाए? +3. सिंपल. एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ एन इंटीजर a is the negative of a.